Today we're taking a look at these smart glasses. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about them, everything you could do. These things could do it all. If you want to take pictures, video, use ChatGPT, use AI, these things do everything. They're super comfortable, they're lightweight. I'm going to show you everything we're going to get in just a second. So, this is everything we're going to get. We're going to get two backup lenses here. You can replace these yourself if you want. We get a carrying case. Of course, we get a little cloth to wipe them off. We got the easy instruction guide over here. It comes in this box right over here, so this is easily giftable. Really nice packaging, and this is going to be your main core right over here, and it also comes right over here with this charger. These will need to be charged as soon as you get them. So how the charger works is it is magnetic. It's just going to pop in right over there, just like that. Super easy. And they charge for a good bit of time. They are super comfortable on the face for sure. Now everyone wants to know about the battery life, and you could get up to 7 hours of music and 4 hours of call time. They do take 2 hours to fully charge. Right up here, you'll see here, these are going to be your main control buttons. This is going to be right over here where you're going to take the picture, start video. It also comes with an app. So what you're going to do is you're going to put these on, turn them on. You literally just connect them to your phone. It's super easy. You just see them in the Bluetooth, hit the Bluetooth button of these glasses, and you're good to go. And then what happens is once you start recording video, taking pictures, it's going to go into the Hey Scion app. That's what it's called. And basically all your media is there. So it's going to download automatically. You don't need any cords or anything like that. You're literally just going to go in the library. You're going to see all the footage of everything. Another thing I really like about these are this has the blue light blocking glasses, which is really nice. I'm staring at screens all the time. And for me, that is a big thing. So this is where your camera is going to be right over here. So you'll see right over here, that's going to be your camera. Another thing about these is they just look like regular glasses. So it's not like it looks like you have like a camera on your head or anything like that. I've been wearing them in public. No one has said anything. A couple people said, hey, those are nice looking glasses. But they have no idea. Even when they are recording, they don't really notice that they are recording. So that could be a good or a bad thing. Really like the quality on these as well. You get really good sound quality. You get really good audio. It just overall really nice. I also like the fact that they give you this little carrying case right over here. And of course you have this where you could keep all of them. They also give you these two lenses here. Like I said before, if you want to swap those out. And again, this user guide is super easy to set these up. So if you're looking for a great pair of glasses, if you're a content creator, or someone who just wants to capture all the moments without having to pick up their phone, you're definitely going to want to check these glasses out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending these over so I could do this review.